Welcome to Jelly Bean Rhymes!
In my little kitchen bright, I bake with joy and pure delight. A swirl of sugar soft and sweet, a loving treat for hearts I meet. Chug, 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 chug. Mix it, whisk it round and round, magic bubbles start to sound. Pop it in, just wait and see, it's almost time for cake and tea. I pour the tea, not too hot, in Mommy's cup, the pinkest spot for Daddy too. I make it sweet with honey drops and smiles complete. Tea and cake made just for you.